Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we forget guys Bluetooth earbud to our phone. Guys, you have guys you same this earbud and guys you want to forget with your phone. So when how can you forget? So when how to forget guys Bluetooth earbud to our phone? In this video I will tell you friends. So first of all guys you will have to on guys your phone setting to forget guys your Bluetooth earbud. Then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see guys phone Bluetooth setting. Friends, tap here and guys you can see guys we have connected guys this P20WS earbud guys. So when how can you forget? So once you can see right says icon guys, tap here and guys you can see device name unpair disconnect option. So once you want to change the device, so once you want to change device name, you can change from here. And guys you want to forget, so how to forget guys, click on unpair option to forget. So this earbud will forget to your phone, then guys you cannot use guys, you want to use, you will have to connect again. So like that guys you can forget your Bluetooth earbud to your phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet in next video. Bye bye friends. Before going, please go and like the video.